The other week I had a lovely opportunity to walk around one of my local nature reserves. We actually went on the walk in the hope to see a common kingfisher, but we saw something rather different. Because you see, as we entered one of the many fields in this nature reserve, we noticed a small stone path that was flooded with bird life that was to our left. As we looked further down the path into the distance, we saw a distinct silhouette. This was the distinct silhouette of a roe deer, one of my favourite animals in the UK. And this particular individual was not minding us at all. It was minding its own business, and it was absolutely amazing to see one of these truly amazing mammals in their glorious full beauty. So here's the footage I managed to get. I hope you enjoy and subscribe to the channel if you like it.